Hey everyone, this is a video for every generation we have in this era. Particularly it's for our teenage population, the young men and women of this day and age. Something that I believe in are wanted children. And by this I mean babies being born who may come unexpectedly but are welcome to the world with a desire by the people who are having them to need them. There is a peaceful presence when the expectations, such as a baby, are accepted with joy, responsibility, and gratefulness. Now, teenage pregnancies are unexpected many times. At the same time, they can be expected, especially when some form of contraception is not being used. And I know every generation can agree to this. Young women and men in Canada are very knowledgeable about reproductive and sexual health, which is a good sign shown by comparison to the neighbors of our south. There can be many approaches to sexual education, which I think our schools are doing a great job at already. It's important young people are taught comprehensive information about safe practices, contraceptions, potential risks, and about how to avoid unwanted pregnancies. I also think it's important to discuss attitudes and the way we treat our teenage generations. A pro-contraception attitude in our schools, our media, and in our nation does not mean we are encouraging sexual activity amongst teenagers. Instead, we are equipping them to deal with situations in responsible ways. We should also adjust adult culture because what teenagers see is what they can use to hold against anyone if they so choose to do so. Parents or guardians need to educate children when they become teenagers about the importance of being responsible when it comes to sexual activity. Abortion is an issue that has also risen in heat as a debatable topic. Wanted children that can be ushered into this world with a strong support network will give us a better presence among each other. I believe in pro-choice. I respect the critics of pro-choice, but respect the liberty and availability of options for a woman and a man to have much more than making abortion illegal in Canada. I also believe it's important for the nation of Canada to implement free daycare services for all families, all guardians, and every single parent in Canada. This would lighten the load for those with children, no matter what social class, age group, or ethnicity you are. When I was a teenager, and even till this day, I remind myself that I am the future of this nation. And something I still believe in is that investing in our younger generations means investing in our future. When young men and women are treated as capable beings who are intelligent to make informed decisions, there is a greater chance they will make smart decisions.